Hi, I'm Don with Dad's Heating and Cooling. I installed this high efficiency furnace a few months ago. Included was a high efficiency evaporator coil for the air conditioner, a new air conditioning system, as well as a April Air Model 700 humidifier. Moisturized air will hold the heat better, as well as prevent drying skin. If you have problems with dryness or having these hangnails or your skin dry out, a power humidifier can help reduce dry skin. It'll also reduce your energy costs. If you have any questions or need a free estimate, please give us a call at 630-963-7272 or visit our website at www.dadsheatingandcooling.com. Thank you.